Kitchen again with another one with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things where you like to make at home. Anyway, we're going to be doing a celery juice with pineapple, ginger and some lime inside of it. It is an amazing. Drink it for 7 days. Great works will do for you at home when you're consuming healthy recipes like this at home. And I'm going to tell you something, it's just going to be an amazing drink and I know you guys will love it. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Big up on yourself, we love you, and let's. So basically we got all of the ingredients right here. We got some celery, which I'm already cut up. I got some pineapple, which I'm already prepared. I got some lime, which I'm already prepared, and some fresh organic ginger. It's amazing. Let's make this together. It's gonna be a little bit of blending, but honestly it's worth it. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to put in the celery to see how much celery we have right here, because let's use my hand and just put them in like this. You know, I mean, that's gonna take a little bit of time just to make sure we have everything can hold in the blender. All right, so as you can see, it's not too bad. Let's see if it will work. All right, now you can see it is a lot of celery I have inside of it. The maximum is right here and the blender. All right, so what we're going to do, all right, we're going to blend it over a little bit, so by putting roughly about a cup of water inside of it. All right, yeah, we're going to put a cup of water inside of it and blend it over a little bit to make some room inside of the blender for the rest of the ingredients. So let's blend this quickly. In the meantime, get yourself a copy of the book. All right, excellent. So let's open up the blender, and as I say, it's not a big ingredients. It is a very small recipe for you guys to make at home. Then what we're going to do, we're going to add the pineapple. That's the pineapple. All right, yeah, let's get this beautiful pineapple inside of it. All right, lovely. So once we put the pineapple, we're going to get some key lime, or you can use lemon. All right, then we're going to put a large portion of fresh ginger inside of it. All right, that is excellent, Chef Ricardo. I love that. Then what we're going to do, all right, we're going to put some honey inside of it, some organic honey. All right, roughly about a teaspoon inside of it. Then after you do that, we're going to put on back the lid on it. All right, yeah, that's looking amazing, guys, honestly. Yeah, that looking good so far. All right, now here it is. So what we're going to do, we're going to be doing a next blending on it. All right, and this blending, which we're going to do, we're going to blend it for about a few more minutes, and then we're good to go from here. So let's go for the blend. In the meantime, I'm blending. I'm going to just rest this right here, but we're going to have to strain it off. Also, you can get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. All right, yeah, so let's blend and make some noise. Okay, let's remove this, and we're going to pour it out like this, so guys can see exactly what I've been doing right here. Look at that. All right. So what you're gonna do, use a spoon and take time and get that juice out of it. All right. Let's take off some of this froth off the top. All right. Excellent. So 5% of that go inside of it. Now, this, once you strain it, you don't have to pour away this. You can also use it. You can air dry it and use it, grind it up, turn it to powder, and use it into smoothie, honestly. But 5% is right here. Let's put this one side. And let's get our emergency glass right here. All right. Yeah. So pour out this juice. And this is what you get. All right. Excellent. Right on point with that beautiful drinks right there, guys. As you can see for yourself, that's what Chef Ricardo been talking about when I said let's make it something very nice and lovely. It is just amazing. The flavor, the texture, everything is just delicious. All right. So it is just simple, and it's just a basic recipe where you guys can make it. Now, if you like the recipe, please leave your comments and, you know what I mean, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Remember, you can also follow me on my website, chefricardocooking, and stay blessed, guys. All right. See, it is just celery and pineapple, and it is just amazing recipe for you to make at home, and I hope you will enjoy. It is beautiful, it is simple, and the flavor and the texture is just amazing. Now I want you to take some time and make this juice at home, and you know what I mean, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Celery is packed of nutriment, and celery and pineapple mixed together with some beautiful ginger and key lime. I know you guys will enjoy it. So please leave your comments, and also remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose. Big up on yourself, and my respect goes for you. We got so much great recipe for you to make at home. I love you all, and thank you so much for your time to watching my video, and thank you so much for your time for supporting Chef Ricardo Cooking. We got beautiful recipe will be keep coming for you. So big up yourself, and thank you so much once again, and I will see you next time with the best recipe to make at home. Bye bye for now.